Hi, this is Kelly with Fitgenes USA Practitioner Support. In this video, I will show you where you can find the list of your clients who have not yet filled out their consent form. If you do not have Pracware already saved to your desktop or a bookmark, you can always go back to fitgenesusa.com and click on the Practitioner portal. Once inside there, you can click over here where it says Pracware Login. Once you are logged into your account, scroll down to where you see Patient Management on the bottom left, and there's a button that says View Patients Not Yet Actioned, Request Email. You will want to click on that button. Here you will find a list of any of your clients who have ordered a kit but have not yet filled out their consent form. When they fill out their consent form giving their permission to have their DNA run, it also includes the address that the lab needs to send their kit to. So you can click a button there. It will resend the form if they need it to be resent, or again, if you have another way of contacting them, you can have an idea of which of your clients need to get that consent form sent in.